Why do we have prescription lenses for our eyes, but not for our ears? Quote, this is the question that prompted Danny Aronson to found Even Headphones, a company focused on creating a personalized listening experience, because not all ears are made equal. The Even team built the AirPrint system, which analyzes the wearer's hearing to create a unique equalizer based upon each ear's response to tones of differing volumes and frequencies. The latest from the brand are the H2 wireless on-ear headphones. Our Even Headphones H2 review sets out to decide whether AirPrint is a flash in the pan or a legitimate game-changer. At first glance, you might think Even hails from Pittsburgh. It's actually based out of Israel, with two U.S. offices. The box is mostly black except for a Steelers yellow front panel, featuring an image of the headphones and some branding. One side of the packaging lists all of the H2's specs and features, while the other side shows a circular frequency chart representative of the AirPrint system. Inside, the cans are tucked in a hard-carrying case bearing the sleek symmetry of Even's logo. Accessories include just a XA0 durable micro-USB charging cable and a 3.5mm headphone cable for wired use when the battery runs out. The H2 themselves are handsomely designed, especially for wireless cans, featuring a wood grain finish from genuine walnut on the back of the air cups opposite. Sweat-resistant leatherette in black. The same leatherette also coats the band, atop which you'll see Even's logo inscribed. The segments connecting the band with the air cups are aluminum, coated in brushed chrome. The headphones feel resilient in your hands, especially the adjustable parts, and fold up neatly to fit within the case. The H2 are comfortable, especially for on-ear cans. The H1 were worn over the ear, and the shift is accompanied by a slight downgrade in noise isolation. But Aronson assures us that the change was made in response to customer feedback. In our experience, the H2 are better suited for quiet environments. In addition to middling isolation, the H2 don't fit very snugly, which makes for a more comfortable headphone but also means they can easily be jostled out of place on a train ride or while walking. XA0 It would have been nice to see the H2 get a PTX port for improved Bluetooth streaming from compatible devices like Android phones, or more color choices. But